morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Look at that. Hi, let's go. Very rocky surface. Seriously rocky. If you fall down, damage guarantee. Keep in mind. Lucky enough I'm wearing nice shoes. Otherwise you will get damage. I guarantee you that. Whoa! Look at that. Amazing. Oh my god. Seriously rocky. Wow. Look at that. Looks like a blowhole. That is look like a blowhole. Wow. Fantastic. Very good. Need to take some action over here. Look at that. I don't think so anybody can jump over here. Seriously. Wow, small pond over here. How edgy is this one? Edgy and sharpy. Seriously, you need to be very careful. There's a small way can go around. Wow. Super nice. This is the money shot. Awesome. You need to come over here to believe this thing. Seriously. This place offers so many things which I cannot say in words. And there is a lagoon over there. There's a lagoon over there. Probably you can dive. Maybe I will dive later. Yeah! Okay, thank you, Pia. Please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Okay, I tried to go on the top. Let's see how it goes. Once in a while, let's see, is there a way to go there? Let me see. Man, it's really tough to go there. Now, need to climb this. It's very tough. I can try, but not with the GoPro. Look at that. See, this is the way to go up. A little bit tough. climbing up is tough. So I'm going to try without the camera first. Let's see. My plan was go to this corner, but this place have so many ants I couldn't cross through. It is biting me too much, so I had to stop here. Look at the place where I am. Really quite high. I was standing there, then I climb up this way. Now I had to go down. It's going to be quite challenging. Look, how deep is it? This is the way I climb up. Now I need to go down. That much big. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.